Hi, welcome to the channel. My name is Hayley and I love everything to do with art. Today we're going to do a simple doodle over watercolour paint. I've got some Kuretake watercolours here, malachite and purple, and I've got these cutters, these pastry cutters. I'm just painting around them with a size 10 brush. I just saw them in the kitchen and thought, well, what could I do with those? So that's what I've decided to do. So just drawing around the cutters with a black fine liner pen. It's a size 0.8 nib uniball fine liner pen. Any of the supplies that I use today, you'll be able to see them in the description below. But you might have some of these supplies yourself. So just have a look and just utilize what you've got, or if you haven't got a black fine liner pen, maybe a different color pen will do fine. So I'm just doodling over the top some little tiny patterns, and I'm going to continue throughout the painting, doodling, having some fun, just getting in the zone. This kind of painting is ideal if you're new to watercolors or doodling and you just want to have a bit of fun. It just gets you in that zone. Using the circles to start off with, just having a look at them and just seeing what kind of patterns. So these are sort of flowery kind of patterns, I would say, and just utilizing those shapes that I've already got within the paint. But you could do anything you want there. It doesn't really have to be a flower. You may have thoughts of your own. So just follow your hand, really. Just see where it leads you. Just be free in your approach and don't worry about the outcome. It's all about the journey, really, and how you enjoy your time. So just filling in some of the corners there just to make it look a little bit more bolder, and continuing to work on these round circles. Hope you like this. If you like this, maybe you'll consider liking and subscribing. Maybe leaving me a comment. Would love to hear how you're getting on, whether you're going to try this, what your art journey is. That would be fabulous. I'll come straight back to you and reply. Okay, so just doing a little bit of line work here, just following some of the paint patterns and putting some lines in. There's quite a few lines I can see there on the paint, so just following what I can see and just being inspired by that paint underneath. Well, I hope you've enjoyed your time. I know I certainly have, and it'd be great to see you again soon. Okay, have a great day and see you soon. Bye.